Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business so that you can reach your people, teach them, and close the sale. I've personally published over 800 videos on YouTube and make money every week from this YouTube channel. I've also helped thousands of business owners create more sales with my do-it-yourself courses and monthly memberships. Plus, I've worked with other brands with tens of thousands of followers with my done-for-you YouTube management services and video editing. I do all of this so that you can support your family, travel, and take a nap whenever you want. I am so glad to help you on your business journey with my YouTube videos. But if you want more support, I invite you to join my Facebook community of small business owners who are living our dreams together every single day as we build success with video and YouTube. You can go to facebook.com/groups/MSBizzers. I hope to see you there.